Hey guys, it's Mary, and look, I have a video for you that is not an advent calendar. Who would have thought, huh? So, this is Diamond Press Nesting Slimline Card Valentine die kit, and it is part of the auto ship that came out. And I think there's one more after this, and then this one's done. And I have to say, I haven't signed up for any auto ships in quite a while. I've got so much, and as I've said before, I'm trying to make sure that what I get is different than what I already have. So I'm not sure. I've got the Crafter's Companion, the last template coming, and then I think one more of these and two more of the multi media, and I think that's it for auto ships unless I sign up for another one, but it would have to be really cute, really different. So let's take a look. You know, I love these Diamond Press sets because they have so much in them. And I would show you that if my thumb would work and I could actually open this. There we go. Slowly but surely. Now let's take these all out. These are nice and big. For some reason, I was thinking they were going to be smaller. But it would be helpful if I did it the right way. So we've got the solid heart, and then we've got hugs. That hugs. XOXO hugs. Or X heart hugs. This is going to be great for anything. And then the two solids and the two open hearts. So very cute. I love this lacy one. Love that a lot. So, and I like the scallop border. It's not only scallop, but it also has stitching all the way around it. So that's cute. So this will make a great slimline, or you could use it individually. All right, so let's see what we got here. Besides the folder, slimline folder, as usual. Let's take a look at all of these. So many different stamps. We've got cute heart that has flowers. My special Valentine, love, you're sweet. I like you, heart, a lot, just for you, Valentine XO, lots of love, hugs and kisses. Another heart with swirls, a key, Valentine wishes, another heart. This one says, you make my heart smile. That's so cute. This one says, be mine. Little border, love, another little border, happy Valentine's Day, friend, hi Valentine, happy day, happy Valentine's Day. So cute, and this big arrow, so cute. Lots of good stamps in that one. So let's see what our stencils are. Maybe. Boy, these thumbs just don't want to work very well today. All right, let me get the little ones out. All right, So we've got lace. That's cute. That's very cute. We've got floral with roses. Looks like roses and rosebuds. Heart scatter. Different size hearts. Very cute. And then lattice with hearts. That's very, very cute. And then for our small ones, we've got XO, Sweet Valentine, Be Mine, and then a heart made of hearts. So cute. You know, I like that just for, you can put it on the back of envelopes. You can put it on your card. I like that. It's not just Valentine's. It's just, it can be a universal. So let's take a look at their guides. So they're showing the 3 that it came with and suggesting that you tape it down so they don't move. How cute is that? And then here with looks like they stamped that heart with the flowers on the solid one and then added some dimension or some embellishments. And then here is, they used the frame and then used a stencil over it. This one they cut out the frame and then put a solid piece. And then this one they only used the 2 and left this one blank. And then they used a stamp on the blank part on here. And then here are all their little combinations. You know, that's what I love about them. You know, you don't have to, if you're having a day when you really just can't put anything together, you just look at here and they've given you all these suggestions. Hugs and kisses, lots of love, friend, be mine, happy day, hi Valentine. The love, they've stamped out all the different stamps, and then they are showing what it looks like, the stencils look like when you've used color or glitter or paste. And same thing with the little ones. And then they've got 3 card examples here. So, very cute. Let me bring this up closer so that you can see. I like this one where they left the stamped the middle and then they used the 4 little dies with the die with the 4 little hearts, both at the top and the bottom. So as usual, just too cute, too cute. So, and these, let's measure these dies because they are a really good size. They are 2 1/8, and then the whole frame is, well, this one's broken, but 8 by almost over 3 1/4, a little over 3 1/4. So good size front for a slimline. All right, so that's it. A little Valentine's Day in the middle of Christmas and Advent calendars. We got it all right here. So I will be sad when if I don't pick up any more auto ships, because I do enjoy the anticipation of, you know, waiting for them and then getting them. So so let me know. This was called, I think, the nesting frames, you know, and you can mix and match. Obviously, every frame is different, and so you can mix and match the inserts to however you want to do them. So let me know in comments if you picked up this auto ship, and if you are enjoying it. If you've picked up an auto ship recently from HSN, let me know what you got and whether it's been worth it and if you're enjoying it. So that's it for now. If you are a subscriber, I want to thank you so much. It means the world. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to, you can hit that subscribe button. There's also a bell. And if you hit the bell, it will send you notifications every time there is a new video posted, so that you can come and watch it at your leisure. There's also a thumbs up, which is the like, and that is so important. So if you like a video, please hit the like button, the little thumbs up. There's also a share button that you can share with your friends. It makes the link very easy, and you can just pass it on to anybody that might be interested. So that's it. I hope by the time you're watching this that things have calmed down. Christmas shopping, Christmas days, Hanukkah, whatever you're celebrating, I hope it's, you know, winding down so you can relax and enjoy some time. Sometimes we get so busy, then you blink an eye and it's over, and it's like, I don't even remember. Did I enjoy it? I don't know. But any time with family or friends is a good time. So I'll leave you with that. So until next time, which may or may not be a new year, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.